Welcome back to my channel, Govin English Teacher. Today, a great personality from Haryana is with us and he is going to share his English journey. He is also a YouTuber like me and he is very passionate towards the English language and he has been uploading videos, real English with Kunal in the name of channel. Okay? And now he is going to talk with us and he is going to share his not only English journey and also he's sharing about the and he has joined one of the latest application. Some applications are there in online platform that is a Clapingo and some applications there, but they're very expensive. But actually, I don't know. So welcome Kunal to my channel, and please share your English journey and also tell about the Clapingo and what are the rates, what are the fee, and what, how are the teaching? Is it beneficial or not? Okay, please share your views regarding your English journey, also about the applications. Cambly is there and Clapingo is there. Actually, I have listened, but I don't know real because you have the real experience. Please share your ideas regarding Clapingo and like that. Okay, thank you. Carry on.
In order to tell my English speaking journey. I have started speaking journey 3 years back. So you can say at that time I was not having any work to do. So you can say I'm quite interested about this one language. So I downloaded some apps like Hello, like my name was Mahi, and he introduced me to WhatsApp groups. And from here started doing English speaking practice. And I'm using these WhatsApp groups. These are amazing groups. And there you can find like-minded people. They're also having same level as like you. The best thing about these WhatsApp groups is that people are so good. Like, I have joined like Cambly as well. It's a little bit expensive as well, and you can say, including price, they had like a lot of taxes as well, a lot of tax in it.
So,
But
what
the
is the
thing,
price? What is the price per month or per course or per year? What is the
it
price? What is the duration of the time? During the period?
like they're having like 1 month plan also, 6 month also, 1 year also. But they will give you discount if you go with 1 year. So they will give you like 70% something like discount.
Okay, if I want to join in a 1 month course, no, if anybody wants, not only my about me, okay, if anybody wants to join in Clappingo, what is the price per 1 month?
I guess it will cost you around 12 to 15,000.
Thousand. How many classes they will teach? They will deal.
They will give you half an hour, like two classes per week.
Half an hour for two classes. That
Yeah.
means one class maybe 1,000 like that or 500 like that. Okay,
Yeah. 700, 800, something like that.
for speaking only 15 minutes.
No, no, 30
Oh,
minutes will be.
oh, for 30 minutes class, they will charge more than 500 to 700. Okay. Okay, okay.
Exactly.
I think between 700 to 500. Okay. I think it is very expensive actually. But in the
So
class, what they will teach? In the
it's
class,
really,
what they will teach?
for as an Indian, it's really expensive.
Yeah, yeah. So you have taken course for how many months you have taken course?
Like generally, I can say, I can tell you how many classes I have taken so far. I have
Yeah,
taken 150.
150.
Yeah,
150 class you have taken.
yeah, I have
I
taken
think you might have spent a lot of money.
a
Maybe
lot of time. Even sometime you can say I'm booking 2 to 3 lessons per day.
per day. That 1,000 rupees, more than 1,000 rupees.
Yeah,
For half an hour, 1.5 hour.
yeah,
It's very expensive, no? Oh, Kunal, I think you are giving a lot of importance for your English learning. Okay, nice.
exactly. And it is paying
Yeah, yeah.
you off. That's why I'm talking to you.
Okay, okay. So what they will teach in that classes? They teach any regular classes or any they have some methodology or they teach whatever we want. What they,
There are two options. Like when you will book your lesson, so there will be two options. Like you want to go with free talk, like free flow conversation, or you want to go with any topic. You can mention that topic in that. Yeah, so tutor can
yeah,
prepare like some related to that one topic. And apart from that, they're having a lot of materials, like a lot of material. They're having, if you want to read literature, if you want to get help in literature, so they can teach you literature. If you want to get learn about pronunciation, though they will teach you phonetics as well. And if you want to learn talk about varieties of topic like hypothetical question. So they will teach you those as well.
So first we have to give that. Yeah.
Picture
Shall
description.
we? Okay, okay. We have to describe our need. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever you need, according to that, they can tailor classes.
Okay, nice. But one thing, the classes are good. I think is it beneficial to other learners? No, do you think?
Exactly, it is really beneficial. The best thing about is that whenever I talk with them, I feel really calm.
Okay, first of all, we must be good listeners because we are expending so we are spending a lot of money. So it is better to listen because if we talk, what will happen? We are spending money, but we are talking. That means we learn nothing. So in that situation, it is better to listen. It is better to stop our voice. Okay, nice, good, great, wonderful. Okay, like that
That
you have spent. Yeah, yeah. I think you have spent thousands
I,
of rupees. Yeah, yeah,
mm,
yeah. So I think now you have a lot of confidence. You can talk like anything.
yeah, I can
Yes.
talk like anything, and the best thing about is that I got like world exposure. I did talk with Irish, American, Australian, New Zealand, and like all countries of people, and I haven't faced any problem.
Okay, because they will come down the level of our learners because they know, our Indian accent is very very apt to the other accents because and anybody any other country can understand our accent. So I think they won't feel any difficulty when we're talking, and we can they can. Okay, good, 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 wonderful. Your experience is great, sir. Actually, so what more things you want to mention about the Clapingo? Any more things, Anna?
Sir, it's not clamping. No, I'm talking about Cambly.
Yeah, you're talking about Cambly. Yeah, yeah. You,
Yeah,
you joined Cambly or Clapingo?
Cambly.
Cambly, yeah. I think
And
Cambly is very, yeah, yeah. Hmm.
M for native, like native people will be there, and in on clapping there will be non-native.
Okay, okay. In Clapingo, there may be Indian natives, Indian recruiters are there. Yeah,
Yeah,
in Cambly,
like
Cambly
non-native.
only native speakers. Okay. All are the trained teachers or the passionate teaching now?
Exactly, they are passionate. They are having certificates like Apple, a lot of certificates they are having.
Are the trained teachers no? Or
They are trained.
they trained? Okay, I think. Good,
So,
good, good.
like teach English as a second language, like TEFL, teaching English as a foreign language. So these are certificates.
Oh, for example, if you want to be a teacher of clapping, what we have to do? Because if I want to be a clapping teacher,
Okay.
should I complete the course? Should I get the certificate? Should I complete the course?
I don't think so. In on Clapingo, you don't need any certificate or anything like that. You just need to be complete your education, like from any college, like, and apart from that, you should have like confidence to speak. And what you
Yeah.
need to do, they will show you a one video, like a person who's doing grammatical mistake, kind of like pronunciation mistake, and after that,
Hmm.
you have to make a like again new video, and you have to give the solution from that one video. You have to let us know in that one video like what this person was doing mistake, and you have to upload that one video. On the basis of that one video, this they will like hire you.
Okay, nice, nice. Because dear viewers and whoever you want to become a Clapingo teacher in Cambly, sorry, Clapingo, and you can join as a teacher, but they should test your confidence level and your content level and your what we call the passion towards the language and your vision. Okay, okay. Thank you and thank you sharing sir. Because actually
So, sir,
I can't because I'm a
can
government
be
teacher. I don't have that much time. Okay, actually, but
you
in the
can
future, if yeah,
Clapingo too. You can join Clapingo.
yeah, yeah, yes, because as you know, because I'm a government teacher, because I don't have that much time because always I have to be in a school. No, okay, and
I can.
if after retirement I'm going to plan. Okay, maybe
So what
because
I'm saying, you just need to work all the time. You can select your time by yourself. If you want to work 1 hour, you can work for 1 hour.
okay, okay, thank you. So now I came to know the different ways of learning and teaching online. So one of the good platform is Cambly, and another is the Clappingo. But I'm not giving grading. Okay. So clapping is good, but it is very expensive for our Indians. Okay, and those who have that much passion, that much interest, that much dedication, determination to learn English language, they can join by spending money. But one thing, in our Indians, we are creating so many WhatsApp groups where we can enhance, where we can excel, where we can expertise, where we can excellent our English language. Okay, this is the way we can do it. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Thank you, Kunal sir, for your sharing your ideas regarding online platform, online learning English language. Thank you. Bye.